Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Capricorn placements. This is your love reading. Titingnan natin yung current situation and yung next action ni person mo sa'yo. Okay, this is for Feb. Okay, so let's see. Siyempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay, kung gusto nyo magpa-reading sa kanya, mag-try na magpa-read, yan. Ito po yung kanyang FB page. Ito po ha. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po. Okay? So, and yeah. Sa mga interested pagdating sa ating mga items, so meron tayong Evil Eye Protection. Okay? So, yung mga nagbabato ng hindi magaganda, pwede kasing sila yung nagbibigay rin ng mabigat na energy pagdating sa atin. So, yun yung aalisin or ipoprotect. Okay? Ito yung ating ring. Meron tayong bracelet. Okay? Meron tayong necklace. And syempre, meron din tayong patungkol naman sa love. Okay? So kung love ang issue, so ito yun. 7 inches long. Yan. Okay? Singles, may mga kakonect na sobrang daming issue, conflicts, yan. And syempre, pwede rin to sa maganda na yung samahan para mas lalong maging okay, mapatibay, no? And yung ating granter necklace. So, yes, ito yung mahilig magbigay ng surprise. No, excuse my nail. So, yan, si granter, this is unisex po, no? And yes, this is made to order. Okay? So, non-tarnish, yeah, hypoallergenic. Pero kung gusto nyo gumamit ng ibang chain, meron kayong sariling chain, then pwede naman yun. Transfer nyo na lang yung pendant. Okay? So, yeah. So, ito yung nag-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest. Okay? Alam nito kung anong para sa'yo. Kaya sabi ko nga, mahilig magbigay ng surprises. Itong si granter. Okay? So, hindi mo na, yes, kailangan mag-manifest na mag-manifest. Alam nito kung anong para sa'yo. And syempre, dun lang to sa maganda, sa mabuti. No? So, kung kailangan yung, kung ibibigay nyo or ipangre-regalo, name po nung pagre-regaluhan, nung pagbibigyan ang aming kukunin. Okay? And yung ating, yung ating pang-cord cutting. So, yeah. Ang dami nitong sabihin natin sa mga share ko lang, sa mga nagpa-private reading, ito yung kailangan nyo. Madalas. Sinasabi ko na. Sa mga nagpa-private read sa akin, ang daming issue. Ito yun. Kailangan nyo. Okay? So, yeah, enough with the talking. Capricorn. So, Capricorn placements. Hi. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, who is this person you're thinking of? The person. Okay, ng mga Capricorn, anong meron? Okay, think of your person. Kuha tayo ng description ni person. Let's see. Anong meron sa kanya? The 5 of Pentacles. Some of them, they have money issues. Okay? Some of them, takot sila na parang, yeah, they have abandonment issues. Ang daming issue ng taong to. May chance yung iba sa inyo, tinalikuran mo or inalisan mo siya. Okay? What's with this 5 of Pentacles? The Emperor. Okay. Yung iba sa kanila, ito napaka-specific. There's this something significant about their father or mother. Something significant. You're their wish fulfillment. You are very wish fulfillment. Some of them, they have ego. Lahat naman tayo. Pero yung ego niya, sabihin nating, kung tinalikuran mo to, hindi siya para maging weak. Andyan rin yung parang pagmamatigas niya. Parang hindi siya nagpapakita ng weaknesses, mga ganyang bagay. So we have here our Aries and Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So let's see, ano bang situation ninyo? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon? Anong nangyayari sa inyo, Capricorn? Nitong taong to. Justice, universe. So there's injustice. For some of you, may injustice na nangyari. Or hanggang ngayon, there's imbalance. Some of you, this is talking about infidelity. Okay, cheating. What's with this justice, universe? The Six of Cups in reversed. I'm getting this energy of blaming. Ang dami ditong past trauma. Anong nangyari? I think sa inyo, no, may nakukuha akong energy na parang win-workout nyo ng win-workout, no, itong connection. Pero hindi naging successful. So, sa sitwasyon ngayon, nandyan yung bitterness. Nandyan yung unfair. Yung word na unfair, nagsusumigaw dito, Capricorn. Okay? Yeah. May gusto rito na parang i-fix, magkaroon ng balance dito. Pero hindi pwede, I don't know why. There's blockage here. Somebody's commitment. Yung commitment, ang nakikita ko dito, I don't know who, kung sino yung hindi makapag-commit dito, like 100%. Commitments ang isa. Okay, yeah. Hindi maibigay, or sabihin natin somebody is just like closed off, or hindi sila like 100% into this connection. Fairness ang kailangan sa situation. Somebody, meron din ditong bitter. Gusto nito na ikaw ay humingi ng forgiveness sa kanila. Hindi yun para sa lahat. Pero kung ikaw sa sarili mo, Capricorn, kailangan mong humingi ng sorry dito, or mga ganung bagay, then ayun ang gusto nila. Yun yung kailangan nila dito. Meron sila, in general, meron silang kailangan sa'yo. Kailangan. What is their emotion right now? We have here Libra, water, earth again. Pwedeng vice versa or flip yung message. So, anong meron? Emotion niya for you, Capricorn. Let's see. Deep down. Okay, emotion niya, deep down. The Three of Cups. Iba sa inyo, meron ditong third party, no? Pero this person wants reconciliation with you. They want to see you. Gusto nila makasama ka. They want reconciliation. What's with this Three of Cups? Yeah. Mahirap para sa kanya yung separation. There's separation here because of the Five of Pentacles. Okay? Kung hindi pa kayo separated, mahirap yung sitwasyon para sa kanya. Gusto niya magkaroon kayo ng successful na connection. Yung iba kasi talaga dito, naghuhumiyaw ang third party. I don't know whose part, who's who, ang may third party dito. Okay? Somebody is upset. Somebody is in their emotion right now. Ang bigat nito para sa kanya. Oh my. Okay? Yeah, may umalis. Itong taong to, gusto niya talagang i-workout pa rin. Gusto niya talagang ipaglaban, parang ganyan. Trabahuhin pa rin itong connection nyo na to. Excuse me. So, ano bang meron pagdating sa next action niya? So, ngayon, hindi maganda yung nangyayari sa kanya ngayon. They're bitter, they're upset, they're sad. Feeling niya napaka unfair ng situation. Kasi gusto niya to actually. Gusto niya tong connection na to with you. They're in pain. What is their next action? The Knight of Pentacles in reversed. Yeah, and the Five of Wands in reversed. Ayaw ka nitong mawala. The Four of Cups in reversed. Ayaw ka nitong mawala, oh. You're the one that got away. Parang may ganyan. You're the one that got away. Gusto nila ng kalinawan pa, actually. If they're not approaching or if they're not reaching out, you're in their head. You're renting or living in their head rent-free. Okay? They want to release kung ano man yung kailangang i-release. The tension maybe, the sadness, the overthinking, kung ano man. Gusto nitong makipag-ayos. Gusto nitong malaman kung anong meron. Hindi malabong gagawa ito ng action towards you. How do they see you? Let's see. How do this person sees you? How do they see you? Capricorn. How does this person sees you? Page of Pentacles in reversed. Feeling niya, hindi ka na interested dito sa connection. Pero alam niya, nandun pa rin yung love mo for them. Ang sad na ito, Capricorn. Is there someone else? I think. So, kung wala man, kung hindi sila nakakita ng interest sa'yo, nawawalan din ng ng sabihin nating lakas ng loob, no? Na gumawa ng action itong taong towards you. Okay? Andyan yung sobrang laki ng panghihinayang, sobrang laki ng parang nasasayang pagdating sa kanya. Kung hindi ka na lumalaban din for this situation. Parang walang pakialam na to pagdating sa third party kung ikaw ang may third party, Capricorn. They're willing to wait. They are. Hanggang ngayon. Yeah. So, anong outcome? / advice for you Capricorn placements. What? 10 of Cups. This is happy ever after. A happy ever after. What? What's with that 10 of Cups? Okay. Ang nakuha ko dito sa taong to, tingin niya sa'yo, you're their sabihin nating divine counterpart. You're their divine counterpart. This is a strong connection. I'm getting this energy na mayroong karmic ties with you. Some of you. Okay, what's with this 10 of Cups? Pasensya na ha. sa boses ko. Okay, what's with this 10 of Cups? Yeah, this is a strong connection. Soul ties, soul recognition. Yeah, the 10 of Pentacles in reversed. You're the one that got away para sa taong to. This is just like acceptance. Okay? This is just like a lesson. The Fool in reversed. Sabihin natin, yeah, kailangan nyo maghiwalay nitong taong to. Para sa'yo, para sa kanya rin. This is not the right timing for you guys. Not the right timing. Yeah, this is a strong connection again. Nulitin ko, a strong one. Pero this is not the right timing. Kahit anong gawin, kahit gaano nyo i-fix ito, effortan talaga, kung hindi ito yung tamang panahon, walang mangyayari. Mahirap talaga. Alam nyo, yeah, kayo yung sabihin nating tamang tao para sa isa't isa. Okay, ngayon ko lang to sinabi. Kayo yung tamang tao para sa isa't isa. Yun nga lang, ang dami ditong hindi tugma pagdating sa sitwasyon. Sabi ko nga, you have this soul recognition, soul ties with this person. This is a strong connection. Okay, may nangyari ng connection sa inyo sa past life nitong taong to. And I think this is, sabihin nating romantic. Pero this is not the right timing. So wala tayong magagawa. You have to separate ways. This is, again, a failed. Okay, na pagkikita. Yes. So better luck next lifetime. Kung ano man. 'Di ba? Yeah. So, ang nangyari sa ngayon, kailangan mo tong gawing lesson. The Fool in reverse. Alam nyo, actually, no, kapag meron kayong strong connection ng tao, kung hindi naging successful, hindi mag-iiwan. Sabihin natin, hindi hahayaan ni universe na wala kayong matututunan eh. Walang, sabihin kong walang maling tao. Kasi parang parte mo rin yun. Okay? Parte rin para mag-grow ka. Parte rin para may matutunan ka pa. Parang ganun eh. Anyway, so ito yung sabihin nating failed na naman na pagkikita nyo nung iyong person. Okay, so anyway, so tayo tumungo na. Tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is the person you're dealing with or dealt with. Okay, ang hirap talaga nitong i-shuffle. Okay. So, Aries. No improvement. No progress. Taurus. They can commit. Some of them, meron silang iba. Gemini, they're watching you. They're interested. They're looking for you anywhere. Mga ganyang bagay. So, Cancer, they're angry. Andun yung cloudy judgment ni Cancer yan. Feeling nila na betray mo sila. Leo, gusto nila ng new beginning. Some of them, they're avoiding separation. Virgo, they want to see you. They're passionate. They're attracted. Libra, they have options. Scorpio, they want to end this. They want a new beginning for some of them. Yeah. Changes. Sagittarius, they're healing. Some of them, they're still admiring you from afar. They're still liking you. They still want you. They're praying for you, some of them. Capricorn, this is having healthy boundaries. You have to. Okay? Aquarius, so chances na merong third party involved for some of you. Meron din ditong hindi okay na situation. So, may chance ng misunderstandings. Okay? May chance rin dito na hindi kayo nagkakaroon talaga ng magandang kooperasyon sa isa't isa. So, Pisces, ayaw na nito. Ayaw na ni Pisces. Andyan yung parang tinatalikuran ka na niya. Some of them, they're like self-centered person. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you. Capricorn placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.